festival of Diwali is just a few days away. People are full of zeal and excitement to celebrate Diwali. Well, Diwali is all about love, joy, gifts, sweets, and card parties. With so many upcoming events, we are sure that you must want to look good and must be confused about what to wear. Well, in that case, do not worry, as we are here to help you out. We have catered top 5 celebrity-inspired looks that will make you look stunning and unique. So the first look that you can go for is anarkali suit. TV actress Hina Khan stunned in a pink anarkali. She paired it with a pink and white striped dupatta. The actress put a glam makeup, golden earrings, classy pair of heels and tied her hair in a bun. A must-try look. Next look you can go for is Indo-Western. Want something traditional yet trendy? You can go for Rashmika Mandana's Indo-Western look. The Pushpa actress donned a dark blue palazzo pants with an embroidered crop top. She layered the outfit with a long shrug. She went for subtle makeup and looked gorgeous in coal eyes. She paired this look with dangling earrings, a look you must try this Diwali. The third look you can go for is solid sari. Rakul Preet Singh donned a solid red sari that she paired with an orange blouse. She tied her hair in a bun with middle parting and wrapped a gajra around her hair. She accessorized the look with hoop earrings and kept her makeup minimal. The perfect festive look to try on. The another look you can go for is crop top with skirt. You can try the trendy one-shoulder crop top that Shilpa Shetty wore. Her makeup looked stunning. She used a bold lip shade and purple eyeshadow and styled her hair in light waves. She wore some bracelets, drop earrings and rings as her accessories. You must try this ethnic outfit with a modern twist. Another look, lehenga. This Diwali, do try Shania Kapoor inspired orange lehenga. She paired it with strappy blouse. She also carried a stunning multicolored dupatta and opted for peach-hued makeup. She styled her hair in curls and wore jhumkas and kada on her wrist. A stunning yet elegant outfit to opt this Diwali. So this Diwali, nail your fashion game with these stunning celebrity-inspired outfits. Well, we hope you like this video. For more such content, do like and subscribe to our channel India.com. Till then, India.com wishes you a very happy Diwali.